Oh, here we go. Woohoo! Only on one. Oh, here we go.
This is a test of emergency alerts. A government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. You do not need to take any action. In a real emergency, follow the instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others safe. Find simple and effective advice on how to prepare for emergencies at gov.uk/prepare.
This is epic.
Visit gov.uk/alerts for more information or to view this message in Welsh.
Find simple and effective advice on how to prepare for emergencies at gov.uk/prepare. Visit gov.uk/alerts for more information or to view this message in Welsh. EWC
At least it's working.
/alerts am rigor o wybodaeth noi I weld y neges hun y ny Jimreg.